Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to transfer Ton from Bybit to our Tonkeeper. And I will be showing this for the mobile app. Now, as we all know, Tonkeeper only keeps Ton and the USDT, but this is mainly so you can keep and stake your Ton if you just want to keep Ton as savings. Now, all we have to do is tap receive, and if you're using a different phone, you can simply scan this QR code, but in my case, we can easily tap on copy right down below to get the address, and then we tab out of the app, go over to our Bybit. Now, once here on Bybit, simply go to your assets at the bottom right and then tap on withdraw. Since I don't have any Ton, it's not showing because I've checked the hide zero balances. But for the sake of this video, I will uncheck that. Simply type Ton, here it is, and we paste the address that we copied from the wallet. There is only one chain for Ton. Ton can only go through one network. It is the Ton network. This is the fee that it will take. And since Ton may require a tag, let's just put a tag. Since there is no indicated tag on the Tonkeeper, let's just put NA. And we must withdraw more than 0.02 Ton. Let's say we are moving 1. And then simply tap on withdraw. Now on Bybit, if you have your Google Authenticator set up, you'd have to verify both an email confirmation and your Google Authenticator as well before the process can take place. Once that's done, you should expect your Ton to arrive in your Tonkeeper wallet within a few minutes. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.